How's it going? This is the unboxing of Breakfast Club t-shirt. Sadly, I don't know the price. It was a Christmas present. So, uh, yeah, let's check it out. There is nothing on the back. This is what it looks like. This is a large, and it is Universal branded, just in case you were wondering. Um, let's see. It is 100% cotton. So, yeah. Like the colors on it. I think the colors are cool. So, yeah. I guess try it on real quick. Quick cut. And this is what it looks like. Once again, this is a large. I like it. That is the unboxing of the Breakfast Club t-shirt. I do have another video coming up of another Breakfast Club t-shirt. So check that one out. Yeah. Sadly, I don't know the price. Christmas present. Um, yeah. Till next time. Thanks for watching.